Now we've got our imagery, we can use Elementor to start designing our web page, but first we need to import the template. So go to Templates under Elementor, go to Import Templates, choose the file, wherever you saved it, and import now. It will appear in the list next to Coming Soon, which we did for the holding screen. Go to Edit on Single Page Template, and then change it to Elementor Canvas and update. Then go to Pages, and do the same thing for Home, the page we added. Just hover over it, click on Edit, and then change the page attributes to Elementor Canvas and update. And then click on Edit with Elementor. As we said before, don't be too overwhelmed by Elementor at this stage. Click on the file folder in the middle, and then go to My Templates. Insert Single Page Template, the one you just imported. And you should see something like that. The logo, the Webbit logo, and the 3 images in the About section should be shown and should be imported with the template. In other words, those images should be in your media library. They don't always though. For some reason, every now and again, they seem not to do that. Doesn't matter, because we can go get them again. If you go to unsplash.com in a new tab, in a new window in your web browser, Unsplash is a free resource of incredible photography. You can use it for commercial or individual purposes. The one we used was coffee, and then about a third of the way down the screen, halfway down, there's a coffee mug with Begin written on it. The one we used for rapport was just type in business meeting, and then it's quite near the top on the right, 2 guys talking over what looks like a wooden coffee table, and then last one, wood background laptop. To get the third one we used, this is assuming that you haven't got them in the template. If they haven't come across, it's the one on the left just there. Of course you can change those. I mean, essentially you probably will want to. By all means use them if you like. As I said, you can use the imagery of Unsplash for anything you like. This is all about you choosing some imagery for your website. So I'm going to pick this one here for my landing page, I Love Surf. And of course it is quite applicable to surfing websites if you get it. So my tagline may be something to do with that, or my motto. So I'm going to sort of pick surfing images. You need to pick the ones that are appropriate for your needs and purposes. I'm picking this second one here to just give a little bit more insight as to what I'm doing, because the colour of that inside surf wave image was very similar to the first one I picked for my landing screen. The third one I'm going to pick, I think, is this one. Again, the colour. Notice how the colouring is very similar, even though the image is quite different. So I think that mixes it up. I think that one will look good behind the contact section. Once you've picked your images, and clearly I knew what I was looking for there, so it may take you a little longer, come back to, say, the landing screen, right-click on the actual white space of the landing screen and click Edit section, go to the Style tab, and then under Background, choose Image. You can then go to Upload Files, select the files again from wherever you stored them on download, and you can upload all 3. These will take a moment to import, or upload, should we say. Notice how these 3 images are actually showing in that file space there, the others aren't, which is why I'm saying sometimes they don't appear in the template. Once you've brought the image in, you can set its attributes to the left. I'm going to center it, I'm going to fix it, you want no repeat, and then I'm going to cover the image so it covers that entire section. The fixed element of what I just said adds that effect where the website scrolls and slides over the top of it, which I think is a neat effect. We do it again, so click on the section, go to Style, Background, click on the image that you picked for the back of your, in this case, Services section, assuming you kept it as a Services section. Position and attachment fixed. The other 2 attributes seem to be preset on this. I will show you now on this section how to set all 4 from scratch. So again, click on the section, go find the image to put in the background part of the Style tab, and there you see Position, Center, I'm going to put it. You can put it anywhere you like. Attachment fixed. The other one Scroll, so the image moves with the actual page rather than lets the thing slide across the top. And that's it. Once you're happy with the imagery that you've popped in and the settings, click the update button to save your changes.